Yo, what's up? My name is Justin.
My name is JP.
We are beatbox teachers, and today you are going to learn how to do the Marcus Perez beat, and it's going to be broken down step by step. Let's learn it together. Ready?
You want to learn how to do that sound.
So, the first step to the routine is the okay?
Okay, what sound is that?
That sound, that part is saying ooh whoa in throat bass.
Okay, in throat bass. But like, how do we do throat bass? Like, what's a good first step to start that sound?
So one way to get the throat bass is by first doing the Jayton voice.
Oh, the it's like when you have a stomach ache kind of voice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, ayo. Yeah, and then people put tension at their throat. They sort of pressurize their throat.
Yeah, they sort of tighten it.
Yeah, you sound cool.
Yeah,
Sound
you can
cool.
sound like Jayton.
Okay,
Yeah.
but we gotta be careful, right? We cannot sound like Kermit, cause Kermit, you're gonna get
You're gonna get the chest bass.
SpongeBob.
So the chest bass is different from the throat bass, and sometimes people can confuse the two. Yeah. So first Jayton voice.
Yeah. And then what you want to do is to have a little growl, because it's at near the same placement. There's a little growl. You want to growl with your throat, and that's how you can get the throat bass.
Right, we have more in-depth tutorials on this one, so just check out the channel. But in short, tense your voice, tense it until it locks into a sweet spot, like
Yeah.
and you get the throat bass. Drink water for it. Go watch the tutorial. There's more advice there.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, what's next?
So the next part of the routine is doing the dome, that part. Dome.
How would you break those down into steps?
So the first step is to learn the lightsaber sound.
Ooh.
Sometimes you can even use that as like a phone, like
Oh. Ah.
yeah. So the first step is to just hum out a tone or sing a tone like and what you want to do is to widen your lips.
So it's like you're pursing your lips together. Oh.
Yeah, like that.
Oh,
And
okay.
then what you want to do is to hum and purse your lips at the same time.
Right. So
yeah.
rather than humming through my nose, I'm like going he like a V, like he, and then my lips vibrate. Oh, so it's like,
yeah, like that.
but okay, why doesn't it sound like yours?
So if it's a bit loose, I'll get a very like lip Aussie, a very loose type.
So my lips need to be the same frequency as the sound that I'm doing, like
Yes.
nah.
Yeah, like that. This is a very common transition in beatboxing, where you go from
Oh.
so you sort of stop the lightsaber technique thing halfway, and then you just hum it.
Oh, so
Hum the rest of the note.
it's like a oral nasal flip, like a if you go like zzz, zzz, like a zzz, then the air goes from my mouth to my nose, zzz, zzz, then you hear that little flare at the back. Okay, then now we try with
and then to complete the pattern, you just sing do at the end. Dome. Yeah, like that. So that's the second part of learning the routine.
So we've got a second part, but what does it sound like with the first part and second part together?
So to transition the first part and the second part in, let me replay the beat for you, but in a slow-mo version. So there's a bit of like percussion in it.
Right. And those sounds, we have made tutorials on those. You can check those out. Those are the kick and the puff snare.
Yeah, like that. So the final part is the easiest part, and if you've watched like the percussion tutorials on Easy Beatbox, then this part should be pretty simple for you. The final part is just doing so it's actually doing and humming at the same time. Now, there will be something that maybe people may accidentally do, and that is when they do
Oh, there's like a space between that.
yeah, and that's because some people may find it a bit confusing to combine the percussive sounds they learn with humming. Yeah, because they don't know how to do it at the same time.
Okay, so how can we fix that?
What you want to do is normally, because we use our jugular or our muscles here, it also gets in the way of us humming. Yeah. So instead of using the normal way, which is using the muscles here or the jugular here, what you want to use is just your lips. There's a difference.
So when you just use it with your lips, you're using the air inside your mouth, and then you're using your lips, the muscle. So it's just inside. This is one chamber, right? And then this is another chamber. For the humming thing, we are using the mouth chamber.
Yeah. So to give you guys a difference, with this muscles and the chamber here, it's that's how it'll sound like.
More air.
Yeah. And while with just our mouth, it'll just sound like. It sounds softer, but
Right.
it's enough, and you can hum at the same time with the second one. So if I were to give a comparison, humming with this chamber, it will conflict each other. While if I just do it with my mouth,
Right, you can do it at the same time. Yeah, but if you're a pro, you can switch really fast, like you still hear the cut off when I do the with my lungs. But if you do it just with the humming, there's no cutoff, right?
Yeah.
So I guess it both could work for this one, or depending on how you want to do that.
Yeah,
that
and how you
pattern.
want to perform the beat.
The more you know, the better.
Yeah. So now that you've got the now string those sounds together, and you can get the full beat
Here we go.
like this.
Okay. A remix? Alright, let's get it. And there you have it, folks. Learn the Marcus Perez beat. Thank you for watching. And yeah, if you want to learn more, drop in the comments.